So we're making the bottom part of the railings. You can see this is what it's looking like. This will be down towards the floor, the 4-inch gap. Then you have this, then you have this. Then the old railings, the original railings, sit on top of here. So to make that center piece there, what I decided was, I have all these little cutoffs of pine. I ripped some 5 inches because that's what I needed, a 5-inch distance here to everything work out. And I'm splicing them wherever I need to. But to hold it all together, I'm building these pieces and nailing them in on one side and then sliding them underneath on the other side. Notice we have a wide here, narrow there, so they're offset, so the nails, we get better nailing. And then we put it all together. And now we're going to nail that on top of here. And then the last thing, we'll put this last piece on. What we're doing is pre-drilling this and putting nails in. This we're going to have to toenail. We toenail this into here. So it's a little tricky, but it's doable. Using those nice siding nails so they don't split and they hold well and they're galvanized.